Dani, naaresto na kaninang umagang sa Mambalacat, Pampanga ang dalawang sospek sa pagpatay sa political vlogger na si Alicia Lipata o si Mima Alicia sa bahagi ng Caloocan. Yan ang kinumpirma sa pulong balitaan ni Police Colonel Allen Rico na spokesperson ng Philippine National Police. Ang tabayanan ng mga dagdag na detalye dito lang sa DZMM Radyo Patrol 630 at DZMM Teleradio. Yan ang balitang kumpirmado sigurado.
So we arrested the two suspects in the killing of the blogger, also known as Mima. So we've taken into custody alias MS, who is the gunman, and alias JA, the driver. So cases that will be filed will be murder and of course violation of Section 38, 10591, as well as violation of RA 9516, which is explosives. Recovered from their possession 2 grenades, 1 caliber 45 pistol, and 1 caliber 9mm pistol. We believe that the caliber 45 pistol is the same firearm used in the killing of the blogger.